Okay, so now that we have validated and published our new signature, let's see BitNinja in action. In order to do that, we have to log in to the machine via SSH, which I've done here already. And the other step we have to do is copy the malicious code. So let's just navigate to the details of this signature and just copy this code. And then all we do is use your favorite text editor, which is Nano for me, and then just create a new file. Let's go to, let's say, home, ninja, and then just evil malware sample. Okay, so now that we've created this file, all we have to do is paste the malicious contents with a right click. This is done. And now what we do is press Ctrl and X for to save and to exit, and then it will ask you if you want to save. Of course you want to save. So you type Y and then you will just press enter. So if we've done everything right, this malware sample should be empty by the time you open it next time. And it is. You can see it's a new file, so this file is gone. And let's see what happens if we navigate to the infected files. Of course, you can see some samples already because I've been testing things out, but you can see that we have an evil malware sample here, which is perfectly fitting. And you will see some information about it, such as the access time when it was caught, the change time, the modification time, the size of the file, who is the owner, and the hash of the file as well. If you click on the malware info, you can see the name of it, which is the name we generated last time when we added the signature. The signature ID, which is good because you can use it to filter for the signature ID. So let's do that. You click on it and then you click filter. And then you will see that, of course, I've tested this before, but you will see that this is our file that we have caught. And we can see which server it was on, and it's quarantined right now, and when it was found. You can also click on the signature details, which will take you to a new page, and then just show you which signature it was used for. And then you could also see the event correlations, but there is no correlations because I haven't used any file to upload this whatsoever, so there is no new information here. But if there was any, you would see it here. Event correlation is basically the defense robot. So what it will do is if we catch a malware and we also catch an IP address that was uploading it, we will simply put the IP address that yes, this was grey listed and this signature was caught. So this is what happens. So let's say you want to restore this file because why not? We would like that. So if we do that, you will click the restore. And then it will ask, are you sure? This can be dangerous. And let's say we are sure right now. So we are just clicking on yes, restore the file from quarantine. Okay, so this has been sent to your agent. Okay, so this will take a few seconds, even a few minutes on bigger machines, depending on the internet speed and whatever. So if you're emulating this machine on your own computer, take your time, don't try to rush things. And then we will be able to see that this file is no longer being able to be restored. And if we wait a little bit and then open this file, we will see the contents back here again. So, and the good thing about this is it not only whitelists this path, but rather it creates a whitelist for this signature. So let's say we are adding a new file with the same contents because, I don't know, let's say it's a WordPress file on your machine and you want it to be whitelisted. So let's just add this and save this again. And we should see that it's not being cleaned whatsoever because we have whitelisted this signature ID. So this is a very good way to deal with false positives because this way, if let's say you just catch one file, you can just see one file, but you know it's a legitimate benign file, you can restore it and then all of the files that looks like this will also be restored and the signature will also be discarded. So good points there.